guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me along with a whole lot of first impressions. So there's a bunch of makeup that I have here today that I've picked up recently that I haven't actually tried out yet, and I'm going to try it out on camera and do a first impression for you guys. But yeah, I'm just going to do a simple chatty get ready with me and with some first impressions. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I don't have a new primer, so I'm just going to stick with my regular primer water. This is the GRWM Hydro Flawless Fix Primer Water thingy. Now the foundation, it's not a first impression for me, but this is a new bottle. So I completely ran out of my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Soft Ivory. Completely ran out of it, but I bought some more. So I've got this one and I'm going to use this on my face today. Absolutely love this foundation. I did a review on it on my channel if you want to go and check it out. It is so good. I love it. And then I'm going to blend that out with a new sponge. So this is the Morphe Highlight and Contour Sponge. So I'm just going to use this to apply the foundation. Oh my gosh, I forgot how much I absolutely love that foundation. It's so good and so affordable. If you don't have it, I recommend it. You need to try it. I quite like this sponge actually. It's really soft. I think I might prefer it to the other Morphe sponge that I have. This one. So this is the Flawless Beauty Sponge. I think I prefer the shape of this one. So that's good. Okay, so now I'm going to apply some concealer. So I'm going to use it's not a first impression, I've used this before. So this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer, and this is in the shade C1. And I'm going to use the same sponge. Such a nice concealer as well. I love this sponge. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little bit of cream contouring because I do want to actually test this out for what it's meant for, which is contouring and highlighting. So I'm going to use the Sleek, what is this? The Sleek Cream Contour Kit. So it's this right here. And then I'm going to dip this into the middle shade. And then while I'm still on the cream products, I'm going to use this cream highlight. This is by MUA Makeup Academy, and this is the Illuminating Liquid Glow Highlighter, Undress Your Skin. I don't know what the name of this is, but I'll link it down below. And it's in the shade Champagne. So I'm going to use the top of this to highlight above my cheekbones and all that. Okay, so now I'm going to set my face, and this is a new product, so it's the first impression. This is the Coty A-Spun Loose Face Powder, translucent, and this is a bit messy. I opened this up earlier and it's quite messy, so we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to use my e.l.f. small tapered brush to set underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face with my You Spicy 31 brush. Okay, so from first impressions of this, I think that this will be a powder that I'm really going to like. I like the look of it on my skin. Looks really natural, looks really nice, but the smell is so off-putting. I really don't like the smell of this. I don't know why, but it's really strong and it's really putting me off. Doesn't mean I'm not going to use it, but it will make me think twice maybe. But yeah, I think that's really nice. Obviously it's got rid of the highlight now, but I just wanted to try the highlight with that sponge. But yeah, so far so good with this, so it's just the smell really. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the eyes, so I'm going to zoom you in. So for my eyes today, I am using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette Warm Neutrals, and I absolutely love the look of this palette, like at a first glance. But I'm thinking that I'm going to do like a little bit of a purpley pink look today. So let's see where we go. So I'm going to use my Morphe R37 brush for my crease. When do I use anything different? And I'm going to dip into this brown crease shade here. What I've noticed is that there's not a lot of kick up. So that's good. That's pretty good. I wish this was a mirror. That's the only thing. And then on a Morphe M441 brush, I'm going to dip into this mauvey pink colour on the end here. And I'm just going to pop that through the crease as well on top. I'm noticing that these shadows are really easy to blend, really pigmented, and they apply so smoothly. So I'm really impressed. I'm not doing anything too bold today because I am actually going out, so I don't want to be too intense. So now I'm going to use my Morphe M412 brush, and I'm just very lightly going to use this darker shade here and just pop that on the outer corners, but only like a little bit. I'm going to go in with a light hand. And then I'm going to use the previous crease brush to blend all that together. Okay, and now with my finger I'm going to take this pinky champagne shade and I'm going to apply that all over the lid. So I was expecting that pink shade to be a little bit more shimmery, but it's okay. It still looks pretty, it's just not very shimmery. It's kind of shimmery, but not a lot. So compared to like Morphe and Colourpop, it's not shimmery at all. But yes, I'm still liking this palette. I'd still recommend it. I think it was like £18, but I definitely think it's worth it. So if you don't have this, I definitely recommend it. I'm now going to apply the same colours on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. I'm now going to apply some of the NYX Control Free Clear Eyebrow Gel. This is not a first impression, I use this all the time. Okay, so I'm going to do a bit more now on my face before I actually finish up my eyes. So next up, I'm going to use this e.l.f. bronzer. It's in the shade Golden. It's like a 4 bronzer thing. So I'm just going to like mix it all together with a brush and just bronze my skin a little bit. So I'm going to use my Real Techniques blush brush to do that. Okay, so that's the first impression and I absolutely love that bronzer. Wow, I've never used this before and I'm sure this was like so affordable and I love it. Now for blush, I am trying out for the first time my Tarte blush. This is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush and this is in the shade Exposed. The colour on that looks stunning. And I'm going to apply it with my Morphe E4 brush. Oh my goodness me, I love that blush so much. I then don't have a new highlight, so I'm just going to apply my Wet n Wild Colour Icon highlight in Reserve Your Cabana. So I'm going to use my Sigma Tapered Highlighter F35 brush just to apply some of this. Now, before I put on my mascara, eyeliner and all that stuff, I want to test out this setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Never used it, so I want to test it out. And So I'm going to apply some of that now. That was a really strange sensation because with a setting spray, you usually like spray and you feel wet. This, like, I didn't even feel it. Like, I was like, is it coming out? Because all you feel is this really fine mist on your skin. But I love it. I hope that this actually does make your makeup stay in place all day. But I love like the sensation of that. It's lovely and cooling. It's really nice and it's so affordable, so you can't go wrong. So I love that. Okay, so for eyeliner, I'm just still using my NYX Slide On eyeliner in Brown Perfection. Okay, and for mascara, I'm trying a new mascara out. This is the NYX Worth the Hype Volume and Lengthening Mascara. I have a full size one of these, but I just recently got the travel size for free. So I thought that I would try it out before trying the full size. So let's give it a bash. Okay, so I actually think that I really like that mascara. The only thing is, it's not very black. Like I had to do 2 coats and still it's not like very black. It's not very intense. I think it gives me nice volume and nice length, and I think it makes my lashes look pretty, and yeah, I just think it makes them look nice. So I do like that mascara, so that's another good first impression. Finally, lips. So I'm thinking I'm going to try out this Bite Beauty matte lip crayon, matte cream lip crayon, and this is in the shade Glacé. So I'm thinking I'm going to try this out first, see what this is like. I had this for free at Sephora, so let's give it a try. So that's that done. I'm not sure about this. I honestly thought this would be a lighter colour. Like, just look at the bullet compared to my lips. I kind of almost want to try out this Sephora product on top, but I don't know if it's going to ruin it. This is the cream lip stain, and I can never remember the name of this because it isn't on the packaging, but I will put it in the description when I find out for you. I'm just gonna, like, with my finger, just like tap a little bit of it in the center. Okay, so this is the completed look. This is how my first impressions and get ready with me turned out today. I quite like it. It's very mauvey. I'm getting very mauve vibes from my makeup today. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And leave a comment down below of any video requests for the future you'd like to see from me. So leave that in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!